Good day, everyone. I'm Gio Daniel D. Dumokol.
I am Renar Marie D. Mandas.
And Will Marwai Anida.
So, our final project title is Development of a Person Counting System for Monitoring Entry and Exit at UCC mainly.
So, this line is installed for essential Python packages like Oral Ultralytics. Install the YOLO V8 object to detect framework developed by the Ultralytics. It used for detecting people full body in the video. So, the OpenCV Python is a powerful computer vision library. It is used to process video frames, draw bounding boxes, and perform motion tracking. Num, NumPy is a fundamental packages for scientific computing. It has with array and backtrace operations required during detection and tracking. So, second is the lab. It is a fast implementation for solving tracking assignment. It is used to track in algorithm like sort and deep sort for matching detected people or objects across frames. So the second line is these are the system level deficiency OpenCV to work correctly in Google Colab. So this libgl1 is provides the OpenGL support for image display. This libgtk 2.0 div is provides graphical toolkit support for image video rendering in the OpenCV. This DV null 2 and 1 is it hides the output to keep the notebook clean. So these codes are prefers for environment by installing YOLO V8 for object detection, OpenCV for video processing, NumPy for numerical operation tracking utilities, and the system libraries needed for image rendering. So let's proceed to the main code. This one is import CV2, OpenCV for handling video and image processing. Import NumPy as NP is for mathematical operation and array handling. YOLO from Ultralytics import YOLO loads the YOLO model for object detection. So the CV2 I'm show is display images in Google Colab because CV2 I'm sure won't work in Colab. CV show bracket is CV2 is won't work in Collab. Drive this from Google Colab import to Drive is to access files from Google Drive. Import OS for file path operation. So first is mount your Google Drive to access video files and other projects resources in Collab. This is the use of drive mount content drive. So this one video path is defines the path to your video inside Google Drive to validate the if the video exists. This this is to validates if the video exists, raises an error if not. So this one is to confirm the video being used. YOLO model is it loads the YOLO V8 Nano model, lightweight and fast for real-time detection. It opens the video files and for frame-by-frame processing. Throws an error if the video can't be opened. This one is to retrieve important video. This one is retrieves important video metadata from width, height, frames per second, and total frames. This help. This line is this help in zone definition and understanding video scale. This define detection zone is this define your gate areas. This um, this rectangular zone is our people will be counted. In zone is people entering, usually facing the camera. This one. This is the left boundary and the right boundary. Yeah, and the top boundary and the bottom boundary of in zone. So this need to be manually adjusted depending on the video frame. Same as in the out zone. In the gate lane is a horizontal line acting as a threshold or gate. If a person crosses it and meet criteria, they are connected. So zone buffer 20, buffer around zone to improve detection. Adds margin to zone the prevent false negativity, help with detecting partial entries. And colors for visualization is assigned colors for two different visual components. Green is for entry, people entering. Red is for people exiting. Orange gate is the gate line and white is the text labels.